It is still that time of the year where we have to deal with snow and ice and slip and fall. That is the topic tonight for The Law and You. Attorney Greg Fellerman and attorney Molly Clark is here for Ed. Good to see you both.
Good to see you, Dave.
Nice to be here.
All right, here's our question today. A little bit different than a typical slip and fall situation. Colleen in Dallas says an elderly woman slipped and fell on my sidewalks outside my home last week during that terrible ice accumulation and fractured her hip. We did the best we could to remove the snow and ice, but there is some we could just not get. Can this woman sue us? So Molly, the difference here is it sounds like Colleen made an attempt to clear the snow and ice, but just wasn't able to physically get it all out of there. Does that make a difference in this scenario?
I mean, the short answer to your question, Colleen, is she probably can sue you and probably will try to. I've actually been really worried about this the past couple weeks as well, with all the snow and ice in my driveway and around my development, and it's very difficult to get rid of, so I could feel your pain. But the short answer is yes, she can make a claim against your homeowner's insurance policy. So what you want to do is document any kind of snow and ice removal you tried to do, let your insurance company know, put them on notice that there might be a claim being made against you, and start preparing, you know, a defense to the claim to show that you did your best to get it out of the way. These cases are really hard to, would be really hard to prove, a case like this, especially if you did your homework. But yes.
And with the timing of the ice accumulation. So, you know, last week or 2 weeks ago, whenever that ice occurred, it came on very, and Dave could talk about that from the weather perspective, but it was extremely treacherous out there. So, you know, if it's within a 24-hour period and this woman slips and falls and you were doing your best, you probably have a good defense because it's just a natural condition you're dealing with. Again, the conditions of your sidewalk, did it accumulate, how it accumulated? There's a whole bunch of issues, but, you know, if you have homeowners insurance, the good news is they should put up a good defense for you.
All right, sounds like an attorney would come in handy in this scenario, and if you need advice, you can call the team or check them out online. And don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.